Hi, welcome back to CSD Baking. I'm Quinn. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make some delicious stuffed drumsticks. For today's recipe, you'll want a small pot, some frying oil, your drumsticks, some shredded cheese, specifically a stronger kind that has a stronger flavor, some bread, and some toothpicks. Now, you really want to wash your hands before and after touching raw chicken. Now, roll up your sleeves and with your sharp knife, cut around the end of the drumstick. Right where most of your ligaments and tendons are, there is a spot right through the chicken drumstick that you can actually put your finger through fairly easily. Now, do this with your thumb, and then peel it off the end of the chicken bone. Cut off any remaining connective tissues that will stop your chicken from coming off of the bone. Now, cut all the meat from the cartilage on the end of the chicken. Now, this will get easier after you do one or two, so you might want to set a few aside for practice. On the top of the drumstick, stick a toothpick through it to seal it up. Now, take about 2 slices of bread and toast them. Into a large bowl, put 1½ cups of shredded cheese, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of sage, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now, with your toast, rip it up and put it into your stuffing mix. Now, give it a nice toss. Now, take your stuffing and put it in the still open end of your chickens. Once you're done stuffing each drumstick, stick it with a toothpick or two just to seal it up so that the stuffing doesn't fall out. Now, take your frying oil and put it into your pot. Fill it up to about halfway. Now, turn it to a medium-low heat. Get a rack ready with a cookie sheet, a drying rack, and some paper towel underneath. And once your oil is at temperature, put in your chicken. Now, cook them until your meat thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit or over, and then pull them out. Now, put some kale and cut it up. That's all for CSD Baking today. See you next time on CSD Baking.